Right now, sitting quietly in your freezer, lies a secret so strange it could rewrite what we know about energy. It's cold, ordinary, and harmless. Yet, when twisted or bent, this everyday crystal of frozen water can generate electricity. This isn't a sci-fi headline. This is real science, and it could point to a completely new way to power the world, cleanly, silently, and from something as simple as ice. Welcome to the hidden world of flexoelectricity, where even the coldest substance can spark life. For decades, scientists have known that certain materials, like quartz or ceramic, can produce electricity when squeezed. It's called the piezoelectric effect, and it's what makes your gas lighter click or how sensors in your phone detect pressure. But ice? Nobody thought ice could do that. It's fragile, soft, and far too disordered. Until recently, in a breakthrough study, researchers discovered that when you bend or compress ice crystals in just the right way, their internal structure shifts, creating an electric field. Tiny charges build up between the layers of frozen water molecules, separating positive and negative sides just like in a battery. And that means, for the first time, we can harvest energy from ice itself. To understand this, we have to zoom in, far smaller than a snowflake, down to the molecular scale. Inside every ice crystal, the water molecules, H2O, are arranged in an elegant hexagonal pattern, a frozen honeycomb of atoms. Normally, the electric dipoles, tiny positive and negative ends of each molecule, are balanced, canceling each other out. But when the ice bends or twists, those dipoles fall out of alignment. This creates an electric polarization, a difference in charge, and out of nowhere, a voltage appears. This phenomenon is known as the flexoelectric effect, the ability of a material to generate electricity when it is bent or strained. Scientists once thought only complex crystals could do this. But now, even the most common material on Earth, water, joins that list when it becomes ice. It's as if nature hid a power generator inside every frozen molecule, waiting for us to notice. At first glance, this sounds like a cool science trick, but the implications go far beyond your freezer. Imagine Arctic energy harvesters, devices that collect small amounts of charge from shifting glaciers or sea ice, powering sensors that monitor climate change. Picture self-powered spacecraft, using frozen water on distant moons as a natural source of electricity, bending and flexing under temperature cycles to generate charge. Or think about next-generation nanotechnology, microscopic systems that generate clean energy from ice crystals in the upper atmosphere. We're talking about a new class of green energy, literally frozen, renewable electricity drawn from nature's simplest substance. Of course, we're not about to replace power plants with ice cubes. The amount of energy produced by flexoelectric ice is small, microscopic, even. But here's the key. It proves a new physical principle that could be scaled up. If researchers can engineer synthetic materials that mimic this behavior, combining the structure of ice with the strength of crystals, we might create flexible, self-charging systems that operate without batteries. From wearable sensors that run on body movement, to probes that power themselves in the frozen moons of Jupiter, the potential is enormous. Right now, scientists are exploring ways to amplify this ice-generated charge using nanostructures, creating a bridge between quantum physics and environmental energy science. It's the kind of discovery that could quietly transform how we think about power, not with noise, not with fire, but with frost. A century ago, the idea that sunlight could power cities sounded impossible. Today, solar panels cover rooftops across the world. Now, scientists are looking at something even simpler, ice, and finding sparks of electricity in every frozen drop. In the end, it's a reminder that the universe still has secrets hiding in plain sight. Sometimes, all it takes to discover them is a little pressure. What do you think? Could frozen water really be the next green power source? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love uncovering the science hidden in everyday life, don't forget to subscribe for more world-changing discoveries.